What's up, baddies? Welcome back to my channel. My name is JaiDoesIt if you're new here, and today we're going to be doing an Ipsy unboxing for the month of April. So if you guys would like to see what I received, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos, okay? Period. So the theme for this month is anything is possible, and it says that a new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you, while we're bringing the best of Ipsy and Boxycharm together under Ipsy to create the ultimate beauty membership. Get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring, making more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all. Experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing the gorgeous side of you. Purr. So for April, this is what the bag looks like. It's really cute. It's white with navy blue, like, flowers. I don't know exactly what kind of flowers, just flowers. And then it has this brown cloth zipper pull thingy, and on the back it says look good, do good. Okay, period. So this is my regular Glam Bag. In the Glam Bag you get 5 deluxe samples for $13 a month, and shipping and handling is around $1.99. So the first thing I received in this bag is the Benefit Cosmetics POREfessional Good Cleanup Pore Purifying Foaming Cleanser, and I got this in the travel size, so that's always a need for when you're on the go. The second thing that I received is from the brand Grown Alchemist, and this is their hand cream. I got NBA player hands, so I need a little more than this. A little more than this. I want to smell it. I like it. It doesn't smell too strong. It's real light. I like that. I'm definitely going to throw this in my purse. That's why I love the regular Glam Bag, because the travel size products, you definitely can put them to use. So I'm putting this in my purse. The third thing that I received is from the brand I Am Beautiful, and this is their Length Volume Mascara. Oh, no. This is from the brand Real Her, and this is the I Am Beautiful Mascara in the shade Black. So that's in a travel size as well. I'll put a better picture of this in this corner I think it's in, so you guys can see it better up close. So we're gonna give that a try. Oh, this is so tiny. This is the Goldfaden MD Plant Profusion Energetic Eye Cream. I love this brand, so I can't wait to try this out. And you know, it being an eye cream, you really don't, even though it's only halfway filled, it being an eye cream, you don't really need a lot of product. So I can't wait to try this one out. And then last but not least, I have a Shades by Shan gel eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black Tea. Y'all know, and it's a retractable eyeliner pencil. Ooh, and it's real soft. Like, I barely had, horrible angle, I barely had to put any pressure to get that. I kind of wanted to put black eyeliner on my lower lash line, but I kind of wanted to keep it like a daytime look, so we're just gonna keep it soft. So that is all I received in the Glam Bag X. I'm really proud with the products that I received. I can't wait to try out this Goldfaden eye cream. Like I said, I love this brand. And so as you guys know, Boxycharm and Ipsy are under one umbrella now. So instead of the Glam Bag Plus, we basically have like the Boxycharm box. And so it's the same as Ipsy. You get 5 products for the price of $28 a month. But the only difference is you don't get a bag with it. Like how they used to have the drawstring bag, you don't get a bag with it. So let's get into the products we received. So the first product that I received is this Drunk Elephant Obu's Rosy Drops, and it says that this is to fortify and add blush. So is this a blush? So it's like a blush. I didn't know Drunk Elephant made makeup products. So see, this is why I love Ipsy, because you get to find out about new products. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Let's try to... Okay, so it looks like it's an iridescent kind of blush. Looks like some of my primers. Okay, so that's a pretty shade. It's really not too dramatic. Nice little sheen. I'm doing this all wrong, ladies and gents. So that's what that looks like on me. It looks like some of my highlighters that I would use under my foundation, my liquid highlighters. That's what it reminds me of. So that's the first thing that we received. This first product is retailed at $38, so we already went over our limit for the Boxycharm box. The second thing I received is from the brand Purelisse, and this is the Yuzu and Orange Exfoliator. It says that this resurfaces, boosts collagen, and it brightens your skin, and it's for all skin types, even sensitive. I definitely cannot wait to try this out. I'm really excited about this. I wonder if it's like a physical exfoliator or just like a chemical exfoliator. It says it has vitamin C and glycolic acid in it, so I just don't know, but I cannot wait to put this to the test. So this Purelisse Orange Exfoliator retails for $35, so 35 plus 38 is $73 so far with just these two products. So the third thing I received is from the brand Ciate, and this is their Smiley Lip Mask. It says it's a 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask, refreshing lemon scent. I like that. So it's like a lip balm slash lip mask, and you guys know I love lip masks. I wear them as my lip, like my regular lip balm, so I can't wait to try this out for sure. So this lip mask retails for $18, so the 73 plus 18 equals $91. Almost at 100, girls, and we got 2 products left. The fourth thing I received is from the brand SHEIN, and this is the Pretty Shiny Cream Highlighter. I've never heard of this brand. Oh, it's literally a cream highlighter. It's in a tube. Ooh, I'm really glad we opened this. Look at that. Oh, let me show y'all first. But look at this. Look at how that looks. And I think this is in the shade, yep, Meta. Really pretty. And see, this is like a highlighter I would love to use under my foundation so it can give that glow from within look. Let me find out. SHEIN got some stuff going on that I like to find out about. Let me find out. So this cream highlighter retails for $29, so our 91 and plus 29, we are at $120. And last but not, is this last but not least? Oh, last but not least, oh, it looks like I have a Natasha Denona palette. This is their Alloy palette. Come through, Ipsy and Boxycharm. Come through. Y'all know I'm putting this to work, okay? The shades are right up my alley. I cannot wait, and it's perfect for the summer because it's all warm toned. Oh my goodness. This is perfect. This is the only palette you need to just do your eyeshadow on a trip. It has your brow bone, your transition shade, your crease shade, and your eyeshadow, your actual eyeshadow shades. Ooh, Natasha girl. Alloy. So this is the last thing I received in this palette. Wow. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $48. So the total, our grand total of our Boxycharm bag is $168, and you only had to pay $28 for it. I don't even have to say anything else after that. So baddies, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys received the same things as I received, let me know down below. If you received different things, let me know down below so we could chat about this, okay? We could chat. But I was really excited for the things that I received. I really think that this Ipsy and Boxycharm coming together thing will be a really good idea because I had no complaints about what I received in that box, okay? So we'll see you for the next month, and until next time, baddies, bye.
See money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down like last week. Tell me, where have you been?